Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to identify organic jaggery. First, observe its color. Genuine organic jaggery typically presents a consistent light to medium brown hue, not too dark or artificially bright. Next, feel its texture. It should be firm and solid, not overly sticky or soft. Lastly, always check the ingredient label for any added chemicals or artificial sweeteners. When examining jaggery, notice its shape. Organic varieties often have a slightly irregular, rustic appearance, unlike perfectly molded blocks. Crucially, inspect for any visible impurities like dirt, fibers, or large sugar crystals, which suggest lower quality. Finally, take a moment to smell it. Pure jaggery will have a distinct, naturally sweet and earthy aroma. The taste test is vital. Organic jaggery offers a complex, subtly sweet flavor, not an overpowering sugary rush. It should melt smoothly in your mouth. For a dissolution test, drop a small piece into water. It should dissolve gradually, leaving very little sediment. If it tastes salty, bitter, or dissolves too quickly, it might contain impurities. Always prioritize jaggery with clear organic certification labels from recognized bodies. This is your strongest indicator of authenticity. Also, check that the packaging is intact and properly sealed to prevent contamination. For those looking to simplify their healthy eating, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. You can find a link to these and other great deals in the description below. Remember, a little attention to detail ensures you get the best quality.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.